MediaQuest, in partnership with the Quezon City LGU, has launched the pilot rollout of Think Ka Muna Student Media and Information Literacy Journal at Project 6 Special Science Elementary School. Mobile journalist Kayla Macantan has the report.
To strengthen students' critical thinking, digital responsibility, and media awareness, this is the core advocacy of Think Ka Muna. Last Friday afternoon, Think Ka Muna Student Media and Information Literacy Journal was launched during the pilot rollout and teacher orientation held at Project 6 Special Science Elementary School in Quezon City, which is recognized by UNESCO as one of its pilot mill cities. Bert Apostol, head of the QC Public Affairs and Information Services Department, and Principal Daisy Cañizares delivered the opening welcome remarks, highlighting the importance of nurturing critical thinking and values-based decision-making among students.
Napakalaga nitong partnership with Think Ka Muna para mas ma-build yung understanding ng mga bata sa ano yung tama, ano yung mali, ano yung fake news, ano yung misinformation.
The event was attended by teachers and selected student representatives. They were guided through a briefing and demonstration of the Think Ka Muna Journal by MediaQuest Corporate Communications Head Charles Lejano. Together with the Think Ka Muna team, teachers and students also shared their reflections, and the program concluded with the turnover of meal kits to learners, as well as the establishment of monthly feedback mechanisms to support continuous improvement. The rollout also aligns with National Children's Month.
Talagang ang commitment natin is to produce critical thinkers and responsible young citizens. Maganda po no na nagsimula talaga tayo dito pa lang, elementary pa lang, intermediate levels.
The Think Ka Muna team emphasized that every time our learners learn to think, pause, and decide, Quezon City becomes stronger as a UNESCO Media and Information Literacy City, reinforcing the city's commitment to building a mas mapanuring bansa by developing lifelong critical thinking in Filipino children. Kapatid Kayla Macantan, we are One News.